Are you looking for the best mattress cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the best mattress cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Portable Electric Steam Cleaner Vacuum. A portable electric steam cleaner vacuum is a versatile and convenient solution for various cleaning needs. This compact device combines the power of steam with vacuum functionality to provide high-temperature sterilization and efficient cleaning for carpets, sofas, mattresses, kitchen hoods, and more. With its portability, this cleaning machine allows you to tackle household tasks with ease, offering dry cleaning capabilities that make it suitable for a range of surfaces. The high-temperature feature not only ensures effective cleaning but also contributes to sterilization, making it a valuable tool for maintaining a clean and hygienic living space. Whether you need to refresh your carpets, sanitize upholstery, or clean kitchen surfaces, the portable electric steam cleaner vacuum with its multifunctionality and compact design is an excellent choice for efficient and convenient home cleaning. Number 2. Handheld Electric Steam Cleaner Vacuum. The Handheld Electric Steam Cleaner Vacuum is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed for various household tasks. With its high-temperature steam capabilities, it excels in sterilizing surfaces, including carpets, sofas, mattresses, kitchen hoods, and more. This compact device offers the convenience of handheld operation, making it easy to maneuver and target specific areas for deep cleaning. The emphasis on high-temperature sterilization ensures effective elimination of germs and bacteria, promoting a healthier living environment. Additionally, its dry cleaning capabilities make it suitable for a range of surfaces, and the inclusion of features like a foot pedal enhances user control and ease of use. Whether tackling tough stains or regular maintenance, this handheld electric steam cleaner vacuum is a valuable asset for households seeking a convenient and powerful cleaning solution. Number 3. Multifunctional Steam Car Set Sofa Mattress Carpet Cleaner. This multifunctional steam cleaner is a versatile solution for keeping your home, car, and various surfaces impeccable clean. With its powerful capabilities, it's not just limited to carpets. This cleaner is designed to tackle a range of surfaces such as sofas, mattresses, and even car interiors. Its industrial-grade performance ensures efficient cleaning, and the vacuum extractor feature adds an extra layer of thoroughness. The set is equipped with a variety of tools, making it suitable for both home and professional use. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains or just aiming for a deep, refreshing clean, this multifunctional steam cleaner is your go-to equipment. Number 4. Portable Electric Steam Cleaner Vacuum. Sure thing. A portable electric steam cleaner vacuum is a versatile and efficient tool designed for various cleaning tasks. Compact and easy to carry, it provides high-pressure steam cleaning for carpets, sofas, mattresses, and more. The inclusion of auto-take-up features enhances convenience during operation. This cleaning machine is an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a clean and hygienic living space. The portability and electric functionality make it suitable for tackling cleaning tasks with ease, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Number 5. Portable Carpet Cleaner Machine Carpet Cleaning. A portable carpet cleaner machine designed for versatile carpet cleaning. This handy device offers a convenient solution for maintaining the freshness of your living spaces. Compact and easy to carry, it ensures portability, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks such as refreshing carpets, mattresses, curtains, and even fabric sofas. With its integrated spray and suction mechanism, this carpet cleaner efficiently lifts dirt and stains, leaving your surfaces looking revitalized. The inclusion of a powerful vacuum cleaner enhances its effectiveness, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. Whether you're a meticulous homemaker or someone new to the world of carpet maintenance, this portable carpet cleaner with its spray, suction and integrated vacuum features is designed to cater to your cleaning needs effectively.